Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol COTY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough day on this one, and now that the dust has begun to settle here, there's a couple of key levels here that I think a whole lot of people are going to be watching moving forward. So I want to be very clear right now that I'm not trying to come across like these levels that I'm about to talk about are some sort of great discovery or that I have some sort of special talent to have seen them. The exact opposite, I assure you. People that use charts, understand charts, are watching these levels. And I bring all that up because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. And that's what we have with each of these levels. So the first area that a whole lot of people are going to be watching, rightfully so, is going to be this area of support down here right at $6.45. If you go through the history of the chart, you can see that the price has hovered above there before, and then again, and then surprise, surprise, look right where the price bounced off of there today. So there is just that much more of a track record at 645. And there's no such thing as a guarantee, but my core point here is this. It is a more than valid, it is a more than plausible thought to have that, if the price comes back down to 645 and actually breaks down below there, that break in and of itself could very well create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. Again, not guaranteed to happen, but a more than rational thought to be having. So from the support side of things moving forward, definitely going to want to keep a close eye on 645. And then on the flip side of things, as far as areas of resistance, you're going to have all sorts of breakout players watching that 685 mark. Same logic. Nothing is guaranteed, but more than plausible to think that if the price can work its way back up to 685 and then get a break up through there, that break in and of itself could very well create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. So that's going to be another area that a whole lot of people will be watching. So moving forward, like I said, call it self-fulfilling prophecy levels, call it whatever you want, but those are going to be the two main levels that a whole lot of eyeballs will be paying attention to. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.